What's up mga chong, and now we're going to unbox a new RCB Premium Shock. Huwag na natin patagalin to at simulan na natin. Okay, so this is the box of the RCB S Series Dual Shock Absorber designed for Aerox and Nmax. So napakaganda ng kanyang box pa lang, pulang-pula na. rcb.com. Alright, let's do this. Ito ang kanyang box. Ito naman. Oh my god, ang ganda ng box at ang ganda ng shock sa loob. Ayan, so yung shock na meron tayo ngayon ay yung puti. Meron siyang kasamang pin, bolt pin, Allen wrench, and rod. I think this is for the adjuster ng spring preload. And this is the shock. Okay, one at isa yun, two at ayun. Ang bang kasama rito ay papeles ng RCB at sticker. Nabili ko nga pala to sa Bobby Scooter Trading. So sila din ng RCB Philippines, official distributor ng Racing Boy dito sa Pilipinas. And ito yung mga papeles niya. Let's try to open this one. Ano bang meron? Meron din kasamang sticker, computer cut, RCB sticker, kulay pula. Meron siyang suspension warranty card. Ito. Wow, may warranty card. A global brand of MKA. Hindi ko makita. Kailangan itong masira ito bago makuha yung warranty card. Anyway, so yun siya. And the user manual suspension. Alright, tabi na natin yan, and let's open the suspension. So plastic pa talaga, plastic itong kasama. So this is it. So ito yung suspension natin. Wow, napakaganda, very premium dating. Okay, anong feature ng suspension ito? Well, the suspension is 305 mm long from here up to this top. Yung kanyang base bolt hole ay meron ng thread, kung mapapansin nyo. Kita ba? Yeah, there he is. Meron na siyang thread. Okay. And it has a rebound adjuster. Ito. And spring preload adjuster. Ito. This is made of alloy ring. And yung spring niya is 50 pounds ang capacity. Yan. Ang kunat niyan, guys. And piston damper is 35 mm. Yung lapad nito, and itong piston rod naman ay 14 mm. Ayan, ito 14 mm. Kaya heavy duty talaga itong shock na to, mga papa. So yun, and we're going to install it to my Nmax version 2 at tingnan natin making performance. Alright, and the other shock, let's see. Paras lang naman yan. Let's open it up. There you go. Ang ganda talaga. Napaka elegante tingnan ng kulay white ng Racing Boy S Dual Shock Series. Grabe. So ito palang spring niya ay 180 mm. Ayun. Ito ba? dito yung specs ng spring. 60 pounds ang kanyang spring load capacity and 180 mm. Wow. So yung rebound adjuster nito ay from soft to hard. May kita nyo rito. So minsan na makita sa lens. Ayan. There's a letter S. Pag pinipit nyo siyang pa ganyan, papuntang soft yan. Ayun, sagad na siya. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30. Grabe, madami siyang kunat na siguro nito, guys. Ang tigas na. Anyway, balik natin dun sa pinakamalambot. And we will set this according to my weight and sa OBR weight din natin para sabi yung laro ng ating spring. Alright? So that's it for the unboxing. Very quick short video lang. Grabe. Suabe. Racing boy, iba ka talaga gumawa ng parts. Very, very premium parts. Alright, that's it.